Yeah, guys, so if you're in Grande Prairie and you're looking for a job, especially as a new immigrant, look what we found. So Xperia Financial Group Inc. is now hiring and they're looking for, if you're looking for an exciting career, hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, guys, I'm outside. Where am I? I'm at the Grande Prairie annual night market. So what does that mean? It means it's once a year. I think usually for a few weeks out of the year, they have a night market where different cultures come together, display food, their culture, music, entertainment from their culture. So this year is the first non-COVID night market that we are going to be attending. Last year we did go to one, but there was a lot of COVID restrictions still. So this one is the only one that there's like not as much COVID restrictions. So just gonna go around, show you guys what we are seeing as usual in terms of the different cultures that are here in Grande Prairie. Hopefully if we can chat to a few persons for you guys. We understand that our Jamaican friends have a booth over there as well. So we're gonna take you guys straight over there, have a chat with them, find out like what it is like, if they're getting support and stuff like that, and also just to show you guys just the general atmosphere of where we're at. Of course, to know what to do, guys, if this is your first video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If it's not your first video and you haven't subscribed already, please go and hit that subscribe button if you like this content, that is. If you don't like this kind of content, that's okay as well. Smash a like on the video and leave a comment. Alright guys, Grande Prairie Night Market, that's where we're at.
I like your shirt. But I need to with a bunch of little girls.
Wow, much smaller than last year. What do you think?
Yeah. The space not can, yeah.
Yeah, guys, so look what we found. We found the Jamaican spot.
Malika.
So, Malika. Come back over here. Yeah, guys, we found the Jamaican spot. And we're gonna go and just check it out in a bit, just chat to somebody and see if we can find out, you know, like, how's the support been? How's it going? And also show you guys like some of the Jamaican food and some of the Jamaican stuff that we can get here in Grande Prairie as well. Yeah, stay tuned.
Don't touch anything. Hello.
It's a pasture, huh? Oh, she busy, man.
They transferred me because I couldn't hook up. Oh, that's all. Yeah.
The sun in there.
Have a Jamaica flag there. If I say I'm gonna, if I say I'm gonna, where did you see? Yeah, guys, so if you're in Grande Prairie and you're looking for a job, especially as a new immigrant, look what we found. So Xperia Financial Group Inc. is now hiring, and they're looking for, if you're looking for an exciting career, opportunity for advancement, no experience necessary, become an expert in the industry, insurance investment company, world-class sales support, and technology. Give them a shot. If you're in Canada as well, I don't know if they have any work from home thing, give them a call. Check out them website, Xperia Financial. That advertisement were courtesy of DiAndersons, by the way. So if you're Xperia, get it right, financial representative, link up DiAndersons. All right.
How's it going? It's going good.
You want to get a reading, girls?
You know something I do it?
Yeah, get a reading.
But I get a reading.
You want a reading?
But no, serious, but I get a reading. How much? I'm not. No father.
Well, that's see what I'm going over here, so come in.
Lady, I can do a reading.
Okay, guys.
She's going to do a reading and lady over there. Children Magical Unicorn read must be between 7 and 11. Sure, read from the road part. So one read is for $40.
That's so good. That's good. Come with me. Okay. What's on the?
Jerk singer nicely.
What's on the? No soup, no in the kitchen today.
No, we had the corn yesterday, but it was so much soup.
Oh.
And I don't think a lot of people ask for soup or anything about this.
Okay.
This one's so stuff that easy to go.
Okay. Well, samples. The 2 pots for going sample, you know. So you guys will get a lot of support, or?
Yeah, right now, I feel like it's early. But yes.
It's like a pickup, like we come on, usually get this here.
I feel like it normally we would already go
I want to go and learn this.
a lot of people. A lot of people pass through
Probably you guys need a Jamaican flag, man.
No man, normally we have the jerk chicken outside, but them say we can't have the jerk chicken. So we need from
Oh, I see.
but if you want come fried chicken and stuff, it's going to be this.
Yeah, but I think last year was a little bit bigger though. This year, I don't know.
Yeah, because it rained out quite a bit.
Yeah. How was the soca thing last night?
Oh, it was not bad. We kind of like all of the nights that not like rain or shine.
Yeah.
I kind of never did that Jamaica we rain for the river them day here. Same.
True that.
Alright. So these are lots of. Hey, kind of like get back to the screen.
So it's accurate?
I don't know. I can't tell. I need to go get one.
Where are the paying machine? One people only can. Yeah. There's some ribbon on some over here, don't wash it. Yeah. Sell down a beef patty. Ginger ale.
Hot man.
Yeah?
Hot.
It's hot? As in spicy?
Spicy.
Really? Not tasting spicy.
Me, I taste it.
Lightweight, yes. But I'm stuck. So guys, remember I told you guys that when I just came, getting adjusted to the pricing and stuff was a little bit difficult because I kept converting it in my head in terms of like comparing it with the prices of the same stuff back home. Like just now we just bought 2 patties and a ginger ale, and it came to like $14. Excuse me, which is pretty much 1,500 Jamaican dollars for 2 patties and a ginger ale. So $1 is just $1. That's the point, right? As a new immigrant, we constantly compare the prices. I convert it in our head, which is natural, I guess. But $1 is just $1. I said I'm on. I feel it right there.
Spicy.
Come here. I'm so fascinated with the shirt. I'm assuming that this is a red with chestnut. You feel that too?
Yep, it's hot.
Careful. Hey, be careful. Malia no bad. Good day. Pretty good.
Did you put your name into the draw?
No.
The draw for the sweatshirt down here?
Hey.
You look almost. Almost.
Oh.
Yeah, I was going there.
Both of these put your name in if you don't.
Financial fundamentals.
Company.
Okay.
Everybody has equal opportunities here and can do whatever they want. We'll train and teach everybody to have the opportunity to have their own company, to build and grow their own business.
Okay.
Right? So it's an opportunity that very few people get. And, you know, whoever wants fill that survey in the back there. On that, we're just comparing people in the Grande Prairie to see against national averages, so we can help more people out here, what more people are doing here, and see if we can help others out more.
I see. Let me just... Oh, yeah.
Remember, you have a baby right there. You're walking away.
I'm watching.
Okay.
This is a community thing. Everybody watches out for everybody else.
That's
so.
true. Yeah. Please go.
You guys like to spin the wheel, test your knowledge, win a prize every time.
Is she allowed to have candy?
She's not really a candy kind of baby. Malika Jade, she's more of an iPhone kind of
watch?
baby. You guys are getting the iPhones around there?
Tablets or any devices like that?
She's good.
But I get
Would you be open? I could learn more from you. Like, can I put it on top of your card to call you and talk to you more about what you guys are doing? And
Absolutely.
I'd love to be able to get more communication and see and get things out there. So
100%. Actually,
awesome. Look forward to it. Is there a better time, like evenings or a Saturday?
Saturdays would be better.
Okay.
More so Saturday evenings.
Okay.
Anytime after 4. That would be better for me because. Oh no, put my back.
If you go the opposite way, it's pretty easier,
Go the
yeah.
opposite.
Oh, so close to the large.
What are you on there?
If I've had an heart attack, can I get life insurance?
True or false?
The answer is true. The answer is true. And you
Yeah.
know why I know it's true? My first job was in insurance.
Really? What do you? Who do you used to work
That
with?
was back in Jamaica. It's a life insurance company called Surgical Life.
Okay.
5 years. 100%.
Wow. Nice job.
You have different
Yeah,
types of
good.
insurance, right? I know you have critical illness, you have accident, loss, or disability. So that's okay. So do I get the price? Absolutely, I get the price.
Oh.
You get to pick for your the whole thing.
Hey!
If you can answer all of those, I'll give you a bang.
Okay. If I can answer all of these.
Yep.
All those correct.
An investment earning 2% will take how many years to double? Okay.
I keep I have to be watching her.
What's that? What's the rule? That's what I probably don't know because I'm pretty sure I'm doing it the hard way.
That's what we work. That's what we work and educate people at.
I'm not. I'm just double checking my answers. 36 years.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, that's a long time.
That's a long time.
So on to the next question because I'm working towards my bag. That's
What
36%.
happens? What happens if your savings account paid 0.5%? How long will it take for your money to double?
0.5%. Well, if at 2% it takes 36 years. So I'm gonna guess that 72 divided by half. That's the answer, which is still 36. No.
It's like 100.
So I'm gonna multiply by 2.
144.
142. Yeah.
142.
142,
Yeah. It's a half. You have to.
Yeah, multiply by 2.
That's
Yeah.
a freebie question.
Okay.
Okay, is it true or false? 1 in 4 people will suffer a disability.
True.
Is it a vehicle that will guarantee an income for life?
No. Well. Well, that look made me know that I'm wrong, so it's yes.
My face talks, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, I know. Have you heard of an annuity?
If I've heard,
Of an annuity?
no, I've never heard of
Alright,
that.
so an annuity is a guaranteed payment for life. You give a life insurance company a lump sum of money. In return, they'll guarantee to pay you an income for as long as you live.
That's awesome. I did
Isn't
not
it?
even know about
It's
that.
like a defined benefit pension.
Yeah.
Yep, but in an annuity.
Okay.
Okay. Can you transfer your previous employment's pension fund?
I think you can.
Can. Here's more math. If you earn 4% on your investment, how many
You
years?
have to come back and spin this and see if you can answer the question.
18 years.
You're guaranteed a prize, though.
18 years. Okay, going
I'll
on.
guarantee you a
If I'm
prize.
diabetic, can I get life insurance?
Yep.
If I'm a diabetic, can I get life insurance? Yes.
What age do you have to convert your RSP to a RIP?
7 to 1. I'm in banking. I know that one. Okay, there we go.
Ah, yeah.
Is it hard to qualify for life insurance?
Yeah, the bag. Absolutely. Yeah, that was awesome, guys.
So you see, the gentleman is saying that the RSV, the RR is something.
RESB.
Yeah, it can be opened from as early as 15. Once you have a paycheck coming in.
RSB. Yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe to the video if you haven't subscribed already. Smash a like on the video and drop a comment, right? Let me know if you want to see more of outdoorsy kind of videos. We'll definitely take our camera and go around and just show you guys more of these stuff. So let me know if you want to see more of these content as well. I just keep it real. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have made it this far, just be sure to do what?
Subscribe. Hit
Like-
that like button.
And drop a comment. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.